Problem identified. Manila may have one of the most dangerous transport systems in the world for women. Commuters experience sexual and psychological harassment on a daily basis while in public transit, be it on a bus, train, at the station platform, or on their way to and from transit stops. The new urban agenda and the UN Sustainable Development Goals 5, 11, and 16 have included promoting safety and inclusiveness in transport systems to track sustainable progress. Artificial intelligence is part of any progress effort in these developments. Many applications have been created with AI, yet few have extensively tackled using technology to empower women's safety in commuting. In light of this challenge, we've focused our research on identifying aspects that would empower women commuters to regain their confidence in commuting safely through the power of AI technology with SafeHer. Research methodology. We've conducted an online survey, focus group discussions, and ethnographies of Manila's public transportation to immerse ourselves in the perspective of women commuters, transport operators, and AI developers. We also did community consultations, including the Philippine Commission on Women, the Philippine National Police Women and Children Protection Center, and Anti-Violence Against Women and Children Division, barangay help desks, and NGOs. Results. Our findings suggest several factors that impact Filipino women's transit safety. First, women define transit safety as the safety of themselves and their belongings. Second, they are more comfortable having friends or other women commuters with them. Lastly, they expect an immediate response by authorities in case of emergencies. Leveraging these, we created SafeHer, which aims to provide a safer commuting experience for Filipino women. Pitch 1. Our proposal to the Incubating Feminist AI project of the fAIr Feminist AI Research Network under the A+ Alliance for Inclusive Algorithms, carried out with the aid of a grant from the IDRC, was a prototype version of SafeHer consisting of these main features: AI triggers, security protocols, geolocation, and peer-to-peer reports. Prototype development. For the AI triggers, the highlight is the scream detection. This feature allows to detect a scream to trigger security protocols. These security protocols triggers alerts from the detected scream or manual prompts. These include a sound alarm, flashing phone lights, capturing rear photos, and sending emergency text to user-selected contacts. The community aspect is done with geocoding by utilizing Google Maps. We integrated location dashboard and live location sharing with the user's chosen contact. Regarding getting help from authorities, women commuters can utilize SafeHer's peer-to-peer reports. They can file incident reports straight to the authorities through the app and get notified if authorities have resolved these incidents. First, pilot testing. We then tested the usage of the prototype version of the app on 16 women commuters. They were tasked to use SafeHer for 1 week and provide feedback on the experience and app improvements. The feedback was highly positive, and the app made the commuters feel safe. Their comments on app enhancements were eventually integrated. Pitch number 2. With the successful prototype test, we then developed an improved pilot version that includes features recommended by the testers. These include SafeWord, hotline database, and biometrics. Version 2 development. We incorporated SafeWord. This enables users to create and set words to trigger the emergency protocols. For example, the user would set mango as her trigger word, then it would trigger emergency protocols. Second, pilot testing. The second pilot phase is the barangay pilot test, which is more extensive. It started with close coordination with a partner local government unit and district in the city of Pasig, Barangay Santolan, to set up the test environment. The critical component for this test is the coordination, where authorities from Barangay Santolan would receive reports from the app. The barangay would have to respond to these reports. During the test, emergency responses were simulated in real time. Over 20 women commuters participated. The feedback further validated the need for SafeHer. Here are some feedback from these users. SMS messages and location sharing were immediately received, and emergency contacts can quickly be informed of location and incidents. There is no need to call contacts when there are incidents, especially when they are not informed of users' whereabouts. Limitation of use when users have no internet connection. Overall, SafeHer makes women more relaxed when in transit, mainly as it shares info on their location. While there were reported problems when accessing the app, such as incompatibility and lagging, these were eventually resolved. Women mentioned that SafeHer is easy to use, effective, and provides safety. The psychological comfort that the app provides through the sharing of locations makes the participants more confident about traveling. Barangay Santolan has also expressed interest in integrating SafeHer into their own violence against women protocols. Expanding the use of SafeHer to their entire city has also been mentioned. What's next for SafeHer? SafeHer has the potential to sprout more AI-powered solutions addressing women's safety in urban transit. With the help of the local community and its leaders, we hope that SafeHer will be implemented for use in Manila. Eventually, we also hope that SafeHer can be tested for expansion in other cities in Southeast Asia.